Hey there, my future presidents of the United States. It's time for us to get started on our journal activity. Our instructions here ask us to please watch this teacher video to draw, color, and complete the sentence stem about what holiday did we study today? President's Day. You will write for me, I learned blank, and teach me one fact that you learned on Pebble Go today about President's Day. You will write your facts by yourself. But first, we will set up our journals together. Show me your pencil. Show me your crayons. And now show me a new clean page ready to work today. The first thing we always put at the top is today's date. It's not March anymore. We're in April. April is the 4th month of the year. So give me a 4, then a 5, for today is the 5th day of April. And we're still in the year of 2021. 4/5/2021. What holiday are we talking about today? President's Day. We're going to give a title up here on the top by our date. Right here on the screen, you can see the words President's Day. There's a capital letter P in President and a capital letter D in Day because it's a name of a holiday. There's an apostrophe here because it's the President's Day. It's their day. We're celebrating them like it's Miss Otis's birthday. We have to use the apostrophe to show this day is theirs. Get your pencil, look with your eyeballs, and let's write President's Day for our title. Capital P. President. President, not just one, presidents. Apostrophe, it's their day. Presidents, apostrophe, capital D, A-Y, day. Please underline that big, beautiful title for me and check you have capital P, presidents, apostrophe, capital D, day, and today's date. Save your spot here for a beautiful picture with lots and lots of color. But come to our first line and let's start the sentence together with a capital letter I. I, finger space, I, capital, learned, E-A, earn, learned, E-D says D. I learned blank. I'm not going to put my period here because my sentence might be a lot longer than just one line. But it's your turn to think. What did you learn today about President's Day? A fact from Pebble Go. If you don't remember, here's some photos to help you recall some of those customs and traditions. Here we have the president lives in the White House. An actor dressed up as George Washington. And here's a monument you could visit on President's Day. It's called Mount Rushmore, and it shows 4 of our presidents. But there's a lot of presidents we're celebrating on this day. We learned all about the history.
Holiday history.
We learned
Washington and Lincoln.
Why were they so brave and important? We learned about how they changed it
One holiday.
to just one holiday. And we learned how
Celebrating today.
to celebrate today. So many good facts in Pebble Go. Close your eyes. Think of what you want to teach me. What's important that you learned about President's Day? What was interesting? What was new to you? You will write for me here in your journal. I learned what about President's Day? Make sure you end your fact with a period when you are done explaining what you learned. Then it's time to give me a beautiful picture. Use lots of color, and you'll want to get your red, white, and blue for our beautiful country's colors. Show me those presidents. How do they celebrate? Why do they celebrate? What's so important about this day? What did you learn? Think, say it, write it, sound it out the best you can. and give me a picture to show me details. Check your work when you're done. Title, date. Beautiful picture. Capital letter I, learned. A fact, teaching me something you learned. And a period on the end. When you have all those things and you're proud presidents of your work, then it's time to take a picture and send it to your teacher on Google Classroom. Nice job working with me today. Take your time, give me the best fact you can, and I will see you tomorrow to talk more about some holidays. Adios, amigos!